see. We just want to move lower. Yeah, I think we should have been getting filled now. So let's see. Yeah, we got filled with that one as well. So we just have to set the stop loss again under these lows more or less. I don't want to see it break below these lows right here. And with the target, again, it's going to be the high of day more or less. So we're looking close to 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is obviously how we want to keep things positive. Again, we want to see maybe a nice rejection. That obviously would be very encouraging. But again, there's another 3.5 minutes more or less till the candle close. So nothing is set in stone. There is one more little level right here. So the price could even come back to the 28,570, which is a nice round number as well. So with the stop loss, obviously we're giving it a nice room to breathe. We're finally starting to see some nice rejections, which is really good and encouraging. Very positive sign. Again, we want to see bottoming tails because obviously we're long on this one. For those people joining now, don't forget the short here. We already covered a few. The majority of the position is off because basically we closed right about at the lows here, capturing more or less the bottom because we had this nice area here, which is basically where we're finding support right now. As you can see, it's already starting to make a pretty decent profit, which is nice. It's a simple impulse pullback. That's all we took essentially. And we can see how we're seeing a very nice bounce from exactly the zone that we took. The entry was pretty much on point. Is anybody else on this trade? I'll just type in the details real quick. The entry. Just double checking, make sure the details are correct. And I'm writing this one down because obviously I took it just now as well. So it was a nice live capture as well for you guys. So again, I'm aiming for the high of day, more or less, which should give a very nice, decent profit. I'm not intending to touch this. I don't think I will either take partials. By the way, I have the pound yen making a nice move higher. Again, don't forget we had a pretty strong spike down, which could have shaken out a lot of traders. But you can see how nicely close we are towards the target. I will actually consider closing that if it starts rejecting, because obviously that's not what I want to see. Let's see, we're moving a little bit higher. We want a little further push to the upside. That's essentially what we want. Great, that's what we wanted to see. So the pound yen is off the table as well, close to the target. Thank you, Nick. Again, we're watching it. It's making, obviously, if it closes like this, it's not, that certain that's going to make the move higher. But obviously the bottoming tails themselves are, in themselves are obviously a very positive sign. Yeah, the pound yen was almost a textbook trade because we entered right here. The level was pretty much sitting right. Let me just put the line. It was right there. So the target either way will have been hit right now. But again, you want to be a little careful when the price is coming closer to the targets because you don't know with the spread whether you're going to get filled on your target or not. So obviously you don't want to risk everything you've made until that point. The Dow is pushing higher. If it makes a higher, yeah, it made a higher high. That's very good to see. We might see a little bit of a rejection right here, but it's not such a big deal. Let's see, we're pushing higher. That's very good to see. We might take some off the table, or I'll just move the stop loss a little higher just to cut down on the risk a little bit. So we're making the nice push. We're breaking above the previous swing as well, which is nice to see. Finally making the push. I'll consider swinging this trade instead. So we can push the target even further higher now, right about at those levels. So it's basically sitting right where the stop loss is, and now we can just sit back and watch it basically run towards the target. Make still holding the BMW trade, still on it. You just close it plus 12. That's very good to see. We have another 4 minutes on the live stream. Hopefully, luckily we're able to capture the Dow trade live right here for you guys as well. All the rest is captured live as well. We just have to take the highlights off. Plus 191. Very good to see. Is that like your second day in a row that you're finishing green? I think you're also green on Friday, if I remember correctly as well. So that's very good. You're making some solid progress right there. Again, the target, we're seeing the very nice push higher. We already took some of the table. The majority, more or less half of the position is still sitting right there. But we're making new higher lows. We just made one right here, right from the area that we were watching with the pullback here. Only one red trade, so very nice. Good success rate, green day. Santa came early this year. For all of us, it looks like today. So let's see. Now we have another 2 minutes on the clock for the live stream. Who knows? We might even get the whole target being filled right there. Let's look at the S&P's kind of trying to push higher. The Nasdaq actually came pretty close to the stop, but we didn't get triggered. And it's actually recovering right now, which is good to see. This could be like a climactic, more or less, candlestick, washing out a few more buyers that were trying to buy prices down there. From the beginning loss. Okay, that's good. As long you made back all of your profits and then some, which obviously is your loss, sorry, which is very good. Because obviously a lot of times people will lose like 42 and then they will make like 20 or whatever because they want to, cut down the loss a little bit, but you went the extra mile and made some more on top, which is it's a very good and positive sign as a trader to see as well. With through your development, obviously, that's what you want to see. Yeah, exactly that, exactly what I mean. We're seeing some topping tails, but again, don't worry because like we said, we're sitting right at the top here, so we could just get a second leg down before we have the move higher. Prices will usually make either a 3-leg correction or like a 1-leg. So if you start the trade from the first leg, then obviously even if it makes a third leg afterwards, then it doesn't really matter because you're still at a pretty good entry point. That's why the entry it's so important. We have about